Hello, CAD designers. This lecture is about the modeling plan. So let's start our lecture from now. So, as a CAD designer, you need to know about the best strategy or planning to create the model. The measure of the best in CAD design is simply the fastest time to create the part, most efficient way to edit the part after creation, and how you are going to manufacture this part as a manufacturer engineer or manufacturer view. So so there are two different approaches to create a part or model of part. So first one is cross section approach and second one is feature approach. So cross-section approach is fastest but is efficient in edition up later. So let's see the both approach one by one. So I'm going to create first block. From first is approach, that is cross-section approach, and then I will make the same block using second approach, that is feature approach. So let's start with cross section approach of creating a simple block. So I'm now using in the in feature part feature approach, and so let's make a part. So let's select first a plane, or I will select a front plane and a sketch, and select a center rectangle. So it's selected, give a dimension for that. This is 50 mm and its height 13 mm. Look, a center rectangle is created. Now select a circle. Now give a dimension of the circle. The diameter is 10 mm. Oops, sorry, this circle is not, center is not here. So let's delete this all relation. This is also this. Actually, I want to give a dimension of the circle. So let's make it here. Sorry. I want to delete and this also. So what's happening here? I want to simply delete it. I don't want this and this midpoint, but not circle midpoint is here. I just want to create it here. I want to give a dimension from here to here, 15 mm. Okay, and from this side to this side it is also 50 mm. But control Z, it's 50 mm. But not 0, it's 50, 1 5 15 mm. So now okay, and make this point and this point horizontal. Sorry, this all are fine. So what you need to do is don't no, it's okay, all are okay. This circle is fixed. Oh, sorry, not actually, it's not fixed. You need to give a dimension outside diameter 10 diameter. So it's created now, and now select a line, this point and this point, okay, and give a dimension here from this point to this point. It's 20 mm. No, it's not, it's 20 mm. And again from this point to this point to this point, it's 15 mm. So now select the trim entities and delete it. Now all dimensions are defined, so let's go to the feature and select extrude boss base. Now it's extruded, and extrude it to 20 mm. So let's look, a simple model is created in this way. So now let's create the same box using another approach, that is a feature approach, and then make a judgment between these two modeling plan. So now go to the file and select new part and OK. And now go to the sketch. You can select from here a plane, any plane. Now select the front plane and go to the center rectangle and create a center rectangle. Give a dimension to 15 mm. It's 15 and this is 30 mm. Now go to the feature and extrude it. Extrude it to 20 mm. Extrude height is 20. Select open up. Now again, let's select this plane and sketch. Go to the select circle. Now smart dimension is 10 mm, and distance from here to here, it is 15, and you can also make this 2-point horizontal. Now it's fully defined, because this from here to here is 15 mm and our side is 13, so this horizontal simply defined is a midpoint, that is automatically 15 mm. So go to the feature and select extrude cut. Now it's okay, 20 mm extrude cut, and select open. It is okay. Now go to the fillet and select this side not flat, actually it's chamfer. So go to the chamfer and select this point, and chamfer length is 20 mm, 20. Okay, and chamfer angle is 55 degree. I will describe all this all option in another video. Look, this two part is created, so let's make our decision about which feature is or which approach is the efficient according to you. Is cross-section approach or feature approach? So this is the cross-section approach and this is the feature approach. So here I think sample length is not 20. 20 and sample angle is 20. It's 20. 60. Actually it's 45. It's okay. 45 is okay, I think. Otherwise it's okay. So from this two approach, what we can see, the second approach, that is the feature approach, we first made a box, this box. So according to the manufacturing view, you just take a block like this and then you just create cut this block into a required shape, and then you will make a hole, or you first create a chamfer. So this is the manufacturing way to create a modeling. Okay, but you just see this approach, that is the cross section approach. This approach is the fastest but not too efficient to edit, maybe or may not. You can see according to it all depends on the how complex is your part you created. Some simple parts are not, it's not make difference any two method, but the complex, while you create complex geometry, so it's better to use more manufacturing approach. That is, the manufacturing approach is the feature approach. So in today together, I think you will understand about the two cross section approach and feature approach. And if there is any problem to understand you, I request you to comment. I will make adjustments from the another videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.